Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. We are here at home in Camp Allen, Baguio City. Today I'm gonna go to the market. We're gonna go to Middle Quarry also. We're gonna go to Nagilian Road. So join me, let's go. More blessings to all of us. Oh wait, I have a channel, Louis Corpuz. It's a kickboxing Muay Thai fitness channel, so please do check out. Thank you so much. More blessings to all of us. Okay, so this is the view that we have here from our home. So that's the city. It's walking distance. We are here in Camp Allen, Baguio City. Let's go and walk. So to our foreign viewers, foreigners, this is an old Filipino jeepney, classic Filipino jeepney. Look at that, looks good. Okay, hello everyone. It's just like a 2-minute walk going down and we will be in the city proper. So let's go. It's a little foggy. So this is K-Light Radio. Radio station. Fresh vegetables. We are already here in Baguio City Market. Sunshine Grocery, my favorite grocery.